Hello people, welcome back to my channel. This is Apoorva, I'm your dietitian. Firstly, wish you all a very happy Diwali. Diwali celebrations have started and it extends up to 1 week. So this festival is like 1 week long and it is a time where you need to pay attention on what you are eating so that after the festival you will be guilt free. So, why late? Today's topic is all about what you have to do to be guilt free after Diwali, at the same time enjoying the delicacies of Diwali too. So, shall we begin?
Healthy dessert. Are you finding healthy and dessert words contrasting? Usually, healthy is something like low in calorie, low in fat, low in sugars and salts, etc. But on the other hand, desserts are full too calorie dense and too much of sugars. So, how do we go with healthy dessert? Let me give you a few examples. Firstly, go with milk-based sweets, as milk is an excellent source of protein and can be easily made at home, like paisam, kheer, shrikhand. Secondly, replace sugars with natural flavoring agents like cinnamon, nutmeg, dry fruits like dates, raisins, and fresh fruits. Instead of refined sugars, you can have jaggery and honey too. Third, make healthier choices. Instead of kaju katli, choose badam katli, which is rich in omega 3. Instead of rava laddu, prefer besan laddu or peanut laddu, which is protein rich. Choose paisam over regular rice kheer. Instead of coconut laddu, choose carrot halwa, which is full of antioxidants and vitamins. This way you can make healthier choices, and you can even innovate by adding some healthy ingredients like date sesame laddu, oats dates nuts laddu, walnut laddu, carrot halwa or beetroot halwa, oats pancake, homemade protein bars, fruit yogurt, chikki made of nuts or seeds.
So guys, I hope you have understood what exactly is the healthy dessert and what ways you can replace the high calorie delicacies with the healthy delicacies. So, along with these healthy recipes which I have told you in this video, I am going to give you now quick tips which will be an add-on. So here it goes. First and foremost thing is you need to keep your portion under control. Second, try to include salads with every meal. Drink lots and lots of water and don't forget to exercise. Follow these quick tips along with the delicacies. You would be guilt free after Diwali. So here I would like to even make one announcement where Apoorva's Diet Studio is celebrating its 1 year anniversary, and all this credit goes to my clients and my viewers. So thank you so much. Stay tuned to Apoorva Dietitian channel. I would be updating about the celebrations very shortly. And if you have liked this video, you all know, do like, share and subscribe. And before I leave, wish you all a very happy and a safe Diwali. Please play safe and take care of yourself. I'll come with another interesting video next week. Till then, stay healthy, stay safe. Bye-bye.